Hello everyone, welcome to Converse. In this video, I will show you how you can complete your Meta business verification for your business. Like see here, there's a business verification tab which is showing us unknown because this business haven't completed their verification. So they are currently having only 250 message limit for daily, and if your business is verified on Meta, you can get business message limit up to 1 lakh, but it will be in stages. First you'll get 1000, after a few days or maybe a week you'll get 5000. If you reaching limit by 5000 and following Meta guideline, you will get even more messages, daily message limit. Okay, so let's start with business verification. For that, head to business.facebook.com. Here I have already logged in, so it's not asking me to log into my account. If you have not logged in, it will ask you to log in into your account. Now simply head to the business that you are currently using on Converse, which is, for in my case, W the Saloon. Click on this little settings icon. Now here you have to provide the legal details of your business, including like the legal business name and everything else. In my case, it's just a demo account, so I won't be able to show you all the details, but I will give you an idea what is required to complete this business detail, right? So here mention every detail which is asking: street address, city, and other details, and make sure these address detail are matching the address present on your business document, which can be GST certificate or any other bank certificate or your partnership deed. Any other government approved business certificate will work in this case, but it should include the legal business name and the address on it. Okay, so after you enter all this business detail, legal business name, and if you have a business website, you can enter the business website, or just add your Facebook page link, not Instagram. It will only accept Facebook page and your website. Here in text ID, you can enter your GST details or any tax details applicable in your case, depending on your country. So, and one more thing I would like to add, you can add, there can be two names of business. One is legal business name, which has to be present on your website or your Facebook page, and you can show a different display name for your page and all. Like I will give you an example. This is one of our client. So their business name is Easy Current, but their legal name is Power Victorial Power Vector. So we just mentioned powered by Power Vector already deserved. This means the business name is Easy Current, but it's owned by Power Vector Liberia LLC, and Meta will approve the documentation. So in our case, I'm just using the dummy details. Just I will enter legal name here. I'll leave this blank because I don't have any option now. After enter these details, enable two-factor authentication for the admin. It is Meta requires two-factor authentication for business verified accounts. And after that, just business verification, interview details. Now it will take you to the verification page. Okay, so it will ask you for a reason why you want the business verification. For our case, we already connected our WhatsApp account in this business portfolio, which is why it's saying setting up a WhatsApp business account. Just choose one and click on start verification. Now it will ask you missing details if you haven't added already. And in our case, it's saying provide business details, confirm your connection, like a contact detail, which is like a proper way to communicate with your business. It can be a phone number or an email address. And upload a legal document. I'll click get started. It will ask you for country, where you're residing. It will ask you a type of business. So most of are going to be private company. Now enter the GST number or in taxation detail here. Business name will go here. If your business is called another name or you are using two names like a shortened name for your business, enter here. Provide all this address detail and a phone number. I will use some dummy details here. I will enter demo GST details, street address. I'm just entering dummy details just to show you the next step. Now it's saying now it will ask you to enter basic details. I currently don't have any of these, so I can't go to the next step. But it will ask you just to sharing the business detail, and then it will give you some options. If you have a website, you can verify your domain access. With that, it will verify your website, and it will, in the next step, it will ask you to submit a business document, which can be your partnership deed, any business certificate, tax certificate, your business bank account, which has to be has to include two things. One will be your business legal business name, and second will be your business address. Two things has to be present in that, and after that, Meta will take about 1 or 2 working days to approve it. If there is something missing, Meta will like pause your verification and will drop you a mail stating the reason of the failed verification, and you can again come to this same business verification tab and complete the verification by entering the missing detail. So after that, it will automatically show, after completing a business verification, it will automatically show verified here, and the message limit will be 1000 or 5000 at start, and eventually it will be increased. So that's it for the video of today. So if you need any help with business verification, our team will guide you, or our team will do the business verification from our end. So if you have any concerns about business verification or anything else, just call us or raise a support ticket from the support tab. Okay. Thank you guys.